Dub and sub. Dub. Dub can refer to giving someone a knighthood or other honor in a formal ceremony, or it can mean to give a name or nickname to someone or something. Examples: the Queen dubbed him a knight for his services to charity. The famous director was dubbed the Master of Suspense for his thrilling movies. Sub. Sub can refer to a shortened form of a word or phrase, or it can mean to replace someone temporarily in a job or position. Examples: apt is the sub for apartment. She will sub for the receptionist while they are on vacation. Differences. The main difference between dub and sub lies in their meanings and usage. Dub usually involves naming or conferring an honor, while sub typically involves substituting or shortening something. Additionally, dub often relates to titles or formal recognition, while sub is more commonly used in everyday language or work contexts. Despite their differences, both words involve assigning or replacing something, showcasing how language can have nuanced meanings based on context.